Hey, how you doing? So in today's video, I'm going to be replacing this taillight right here. This is a 2016 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. This is the same exact taillight that would go on a 2016, a 2017, or a 2018. It also fits on the 1500, the 2500, and the 3500. So it's the same taillight for everything. Now, I've already replaced this taillight on the other side. Long story short, plowing. So that's why this one's broken, and I replaced that one before. And I didn't go to Chevy for this reason. The last time I went to Chevy, from the dealership, Chevy charges $221.13, including tax. They have a $50 core charge and then a refund. So basically, if you take the light and then you bring back the old light, there's whatever's in there, they'll give you a refund back. So that $221 includes the core charge and refund. So instead of going to Chevy and paying their ridiculous price, I went on eBay and I got the exact same taillight for $111.42, including tax and shipping. So I saved $109.71. And it arrived in 6 days from the day that I ordered it till the day that I got it. Looks the same to me. Actually, I like this one better. It seems a little darker, but it might just be because it's out there. Yeah, it's just cleaner and newer. So to replace these is super simple. There are two T15 screws right here that we got to pull out. So that's the only tool that you're going to need. So I just got a drill with a T15 bit on it. Okay, so hopefully you're going to be able to see this. Right there's one. And here's the other one. And that is it. Now to pull this thing out, you just got to get in there. And if I remember correctly, they push straight in. There we go. There it is. Okay, so now to remove these, just turn them. Pull them out. Here's the old one. You might notice this is an LED bulb. I replaced the reverse lights with LED bulbs so they would be brighter. Okay, so now we just reverse the process. Okay, so you can see these two holes here. And on the back of the taillight, there's these two pins that go into those two holes. There we go. All right, so then you just line them up, push them in. There you go. All right, so now that that's in, we're just gonna grab our screws, put them back in. Okay, that's it. Ain't she a beauty? Okay, so now I'm just gonna start the truck. And while it's running, I will hit the brakes. I'll try my hazards. I'll try my left blinker, my right blinker, and I'm going to turn the lights on the truck on all the way. So they should be on, back onto auto. And then last but not least, put my foot on the brake, put it in reverse. Both taillights should be on right now. And there we go. Okay, that's it, super simple. Took just a couple minutes and I got a brand new taillight and I saved myself over $100. If you got anything out of this, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think. And I'll put a link down below for this exact taillight that I got on eBay. So the part number is 84288 722 for the left side. For the right side, it is the same thing except the last number is a 3 instead of a 2. So, all right, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.